Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the feature of auto connection in any Wi-Fi network. So if you don't know, this feature allows your device to connect to any particular Wi-Fi network whenever your device is in range of that particular Wi-Fi network. So it's a very handy feature, especially if you don't want to reconnect to any particular Wi-Fi network again and again. So let's see how to enable this particular feature. So in order to enable this, first head on to the settings of your Android device, and then once you're inside your settings, go to the Wi-Fi option and choose that particular Wi-Fi network to which you want to make the changes. So in my case, this is the Wi-Fi network, so I'll click on it and I can see this option of auto connect, which is currently disabled. So to enable it, hit on this toggle and it will be enabled, and from now onwards, whenever your mobile device will be in range of this particular Wi-Fi network, it will be automatically connected. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.